What I got here today is a riding lawnmower, and it does have a fully charged battery, and it's not starting. So what I'm going to do is turn the key to the on position, and there is a little collar here on the solenoid. I'm going to pull that up and jump start it with a screwdriver. So we'll turn the key to the run position there and go down here and jumper those two lugs on that solenoid. It'll start. Don't be afraid, there'll be a little spark, but don't worry about it. Okay, I'm going to change this out here. So what I'm going to do is disconnect the positive post of the battery, and then we'll change this out. I happen to have a used one here. It's in working shape. So I'm going to determine which one is the power wire, which one's the ground, since there's only one wire to this one. You can usually get these online for around $10–12. So we'll go ahead and switch this out, and I'm going to find out which one is the ground wire, plug this in, and then ground it out, and we should be good. Okay, I got the continuity figured out. I touched that to the negative. So this black wire here, if you have a John Deere D105, so your black wire is the ground. And this is the trigger wire that'll trigger the solenoid to jump this gap here, start the engine. Okay, go ahead and bolt this in. Next, I'll hook our battery cable up onto that one, and the other cable will be going to the starter. We'll go ahead and hook that up. Okay, this is our wire from the switch. That'll go the one stud on here, and the other one here. Since this John Deere has a lot of plastic on it, I'm just going to put this up to the battery, and we'll hook our battery up, and we're good to go. You need to ground, if you only have one wire going to your starting solenoid, you need that grounded. So